10 realistic ways to make money as a college student. You will find many videos on the internet on how to make passive income, how to make money as a student. Even in my channel, I have made many videos on passive income. But in this video, I want to talk about 10 realistic money making ideas for students. Question, what it mean by realistic? So all those videos that you made earlier are fake. I didn't mean that. The reason why I said realistic is because there were many other passive income ideas or side hustle ideas that everyone can't do. Based on the feedback and the messages that I receive on social media, that Yaswanth, like you said this idea, but I tried this, but I found it difficult to make money. So I eliminated all those things and I have included only 10 realistic and possible passive income ideas that are helpful for students to make decent passive income. Let's begin the list. The first in the list is selling notes. If you are a student, you write notes, that is for sure. So you are maintaining a note. So what you can do is like you can sell that notes. There are many platforms in the internet which allows you to sell your notes and make money out of it. One such platform is Studypool. If you can upload notes, for every download of your notes, you will get around $10, which is around 800 Indian rupees. So there were still many apps out there. There were apps like Code Zero, etc., which allows you to use the same facility. But Studypool is something which is popular for it. So if you can upload your notes as a PDF there, you just need an app like Adobe Scan or Cam Scanner. You can just scan your notes and you can convert as a PDF and upload it. That it won't take more time for you, but you only upload it once, but for every download you will get some money. You might ask me like, who will purchase your note? There are many people out there who need notes in the last moment, because not everyone will maintain the notes, and in the last moment of their exams they need notes. They need notes to prepare. And if it's something related to programming or something, people might also need that for interview purposes. So this is one idea which is realistic and possible for you. You don't need to put extra effort, because writing notes is something that is a part of your academic, so you'll do that anyway. So this is one way that you can make money as a student. And second way is starting a YouTube channel. So starting a YouTube channel might not be a direct or like I can say quick way to make money, but still it is a realistic way to make money if you are consistent enough. You might be good at least one skill, right? So there is no one in this world who don't have any skills. You might be having at least one skill. So you can start a YouTube channel and teach that skill in YouTube for free. It might be anything. See, I'm good at talking about career, talking about finance, or talking about technologies. So the reason why I start a YouTube channel is to share my knowledge here. In a similar way, you might be good at something. You might be good at watching movies at least. So you can create a channel talking about movie reviews. You might be good at cooking. You can start a YouTube channel and explain cooking recipes. You might be good at communication skills. Start a YouTube channel and teach English to kids. See, there are many ways out there you can make use of YouTube to earn money. So starting a YouTube channel is the best way. There are many ways you can earn money using YouTube channel. Like if you're doing consistently and if you reach the criteria of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, YouTube will place ads in your videos, and for every view you will get some money. And the other way is you'll also get collaborations or sponsorships from other brands to endorse them in your video, so that you will also earn money. So this is the second way to make money as a student. And number 3 is freelancing or Fiverr. There were many freelancing skills which are on demand in Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you will find freelancing gigs. So it might be content writing, it might be graphic design, it might be video editing. So these are all the high demand skills in Fiverr. So if you learn at least one skill, you can offer your services there. You can take up the projects that are requesting by brands and companies, and you can earn money decently there. So you can also build a full-time career on Fiverr. So this is something that is very realistic. It only needs your time and skills, that's it. And number 4 in the list is Instagram page. Similar to YouTube channel, but if you feel like you are someone who is shy of facing camera, then you can start Instagram page and you can share content in the form of text or images. So there were many apps like Canva, Figma out there which will help you to create social media posts. So if you want to teach something, you can also do that. Start Instagram page and build your audience, and if you are growing your page, then you will get sponsorships and collaborations out there, so that you will earn some money. So this is possible for any niche as well. Like as I said in the YouTube channel example, you can take any niche to start your Instagram page and earn money. And number 5 in the list is teaching online. This is something which is a highly profitable skill. If you're good at something, they said like you can teach them on YouTube, and the other option is you can directly monetize them by creating course. There are platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, etc., where you can create a course there. But to create a course, you need more knowledge on that. You need to be more specific on that. You need to be more clear, and you need to maintain quality. So if you feel like you can produce quality content, you can create courses on course hosting platforms. It might be anything. It might be programming, or it might be any skill that you're good at. You can simply make a course out there, and for every course purchase, you will earn some money. So this is also one of the realistic and easy way to make money as a student. And number 6 is social media management. As I said, one way to earn money through Instagram is creating your own page. But the other way is managing social media handles of other brands or companies. It might be Instagram or LinkedIn or Twitter, whatever it might be. If you're someone who can write content well, or I can say create social media posts in a good way, then you can reach out brands or individuals who are having high followers, that you will manage their account. You will take care of posting content. You will take care of responding to queries or messages, because people with high followers who are already doing something, they don't have time to manage their profiles actually. Once they reach a certain stage, you can research on them, and you can message them that you will do so and so work on social media. You will manage their profiles and all. You will easily get a few if you message multiple people. And number 7 is using doubt solving platforms like Chegg and Course Hero. So I already made many videos and talked multiple times about Chegg. Chegg is one of the best platform for students to make money easily. Nowadays, like there were apps like ChatGPT which will help you to make more money on Chegg, because Chegg is a place where students will ask their doubts, and if you know that if you're good at that subject, you can answer their queries, and for every right answer or successful answer, you will earn some money. With the help of ChatGPT, you can easily answer them now. So that is also the best way to make money as a student. And number 8 is affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing is like promoting others' product. If you feel like you are not the best in teaching online, there were many institutes out there, there were many platforms out there where they need affiliate marketers. If you can promote their products in your college or in your network, and if people purchases them, you will earn some money. Of course, like they will not reach out to you directly. You need to find out them. You can ask them that I will promote your courses or programs, and for every successful referral, like I will charge something like this. See, no one will say no, because you are getting them late, so they will accept that. So this is also the best way to make money as a student. Number 9 is one of my favorite, participating in technical fests. See, if you have good communication skills or programming skills or any skill, if you are a student, like you might see technical fests happening all over the country every single day. So go and participate in them. So if you can win the competition, it might be paper presentation, it might be a quiz competition, it might be a coding competition. If you won that competition, you will receive a cash prize. So if you participate regularly, you will also get a lot of exposure, and you will also earn money. So this is all, it is my favorite way, because I use it to do this a lot, and I use it to earn a lot of pocket money during my college. And number 10 and last realistic passive income idea is providing CV writing services. CV plays an important role. Of course, for freshers, it might not be a requirement, but for experienced people, CV plays an important role. There were many individuals who will pay a lot to CV writing agencies or resume writing agencies to get their CV done. But now what you can do is, as a student, you'll use apps like ChatGPT to create a CV for others. Reach out to experienced people and them that you will write a CV for them. Post in LinkedIn that you are providing CV writing services. There were many people who will reach out to you. You can charge a minimum of 1,000 rupees for every CV that you write. And by using apps like ChatGPT, it won't take more than 30 minutes for you to write a CV. So these are all the 10 realistic money making ideas for students. I hope you will find this video very helpful. And if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.